Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
On the eve of India's independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru delivered a historic and one of his greatest speeches. The speech had to both honor the sacrifices of the past that led to this moment and lay out a vision for the future. Here's what transpired the day India became an independent nation. As the clock struck 12 on August 15, 1947, after an 89-year-long rule by the British Empire, India attained freedom. Celebrations had begun on the eve of Independence Day. Even at the Parliament building, the official function had started at 11 p.m. Vande Mataram was sung as the national anthem. Later, it was declared the national song. There were three main speakers at the Central Hall of Parliament. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the third notable speaker at the official event where he delivered his famous Tryst with Destiny speech. Nehru took over as the first Prime Minister of independent India and a cabinet of 13 ministers was sworn in. The most notable non-congressmen were B.R. Ambedkar and Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. The celebrations at the Central Hall of Parliament ended well past midnight with the presentation of the flag on behalf of women of India. Amid celebrations in Delhi, Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi refused to take part in Independence Day festivities. He reportedly said that unfortunately, the kind of freedom we have got today also contains the seeds of future conflict between India and Pakistan, something that holds true today. On August 15, the day of independence, Mahatma Gandhi observed 24-hour fast, offered prayers and spun khadi yarn. Mahatma Gandhi ended his day with a public rally at the Rush Bagan Maidan in Baliaghata, where he said that he hoped that the meeting together of Hindus and Muslims in perfect friendliness was not a momentary impulse.